The new release of MLatom version 3.16.1 provides an interface to DFTB+ and performance improvement. So even if you are not interested in DFTB, please upgrade your MLatom installation for faster calculations via pip. New release allows seamless execution of DFTB and TD-DFTB calculations within the MLatom framework, enabling efficient electronic structure calculations and facilitating the modeling of complex systems with reduced computational cost. First, we need to install DFTB+. Using the conda command is the recommended installation method. Alternatively, you can also install it by downloading the binary from the official website or compiling from source. After installation, we need to download the DFTB+ parameter files, also called Slater-Coster files. Once downloaded, extract the files and add their paths to your environment variable in Bash. We can now use DFTB+ for ground state calculation with DFTB and excited state calculation with TD-DFTB in MLatom. After importing MLatom, you can select and use the DFTB method as any other electronic structure method or machine learning model interface to MLatom. For example, single point calculations, geometry optimizations, or molecular dynamics. For excited state calculations, you only need to provide the number of electronic states and the index of the state you are interested in.